Okay, now welcome to okay. Now I will formally welcome you all for you all into this secondary one mock examination. But actually, you can do yourself. But now you will notice that the time allowed is 90 minutes. So we have 30 questions here. We have 30 questions here. Okay, not here. It will be better now? Will be better now? Okay. Maybe my network is a little bit slow, but I think I will talk about it a little bit slower. Okay. Now the question for you is only for 90 minutes, so you have 30 questions here. So at most for each question you have 3 minutes to do it. But because we have this course and maybe you are smart enough, so please if you go to the examination, please hold your time. Okay, use your time wisely. Okay. Now let's see. Now the first part of this session, I think there are 5 parts of that, each of them 6 questions. But I think they will be what question 1 to 9. What happened question 1 to 9? Question 1 to 9. Okay, you only have question 1 to 9 or what? And okay, there are 30 questions here. 30 questions here. You can see that there are 30 questions here. I will put I put the link on the chat. Okay. Of course. Okay. Very good. If you have question 1 to. Okay. Now okay, let's see. Now there are some chickens and rabbit vacation. Number of chickens is 5 times the number of rabbits. The total number of legs of chicken will be 72 more than the rabbits. Okay. How many rabbits? What's up? How many rabbits are there? Okay. Now, actually, you have 2 ways of doing it. You have 2 ways of doing this question, but you have a primary school way or you have some algebraic way to do it. Okay. Let's see. Now I will start from here. Okay. Now you have number of chicken. Okay. It will be number of rabbits. Okay, and we have a big up. Oops. And difference. Okay, we are made of something else. We make a chart something like this one. 4, sir. 4. When we have 4 legs, they have 5 legs. Where is this 5th leg? Okay. Oh, now no chicken. Oh, chicken. Okay. We have say because we have the number of chicken 5 times the number of rabbits. So if I have 1 rabbit here, then I put 5 chickens here. So there were 10 legs, and we have 4 legs. So different 6. Okay, the first one is something like this one. There's not something like this one. Okay, but of course the difference is 6 only. But I need to make up of 72 here. I need to make up 72 here. Okay, so not okay. Okay, now next one. I have 2 rabbits. Then there will 10 chickens. Okay, 20, and this will be 8. Okay, now the difference is 12. So every time I put 1 set of rabbit and chicken on it, the difference will be increased by 6. So I did just divide 72 by 6, which is 12. So I know that number of rabbit will be 12. Finish. Number of rabbits is 12. Okay. Just that. Just that. Of course. 60, and you will know that chicken mix will be 60 times 2 is 120, and this is 48, and the difference will be 72. Of course, if you don't want to use this method, you can have other methods for say algebra. Algebra is also very good because you know that I want to find the number of rabbits. So let's y be the number of rabbits. Okay, then 5y, 5y times 2 minus 4y will be equal to 72. Just that easy. So it means 6y equal to 72, and you will got y equal to 12. Just that. Both method is okay. Both method is okay. Yeah. Okay. Just so you will find that if you can use algebra method, you will do it very fast. Or if you don't want to use algebra method, you can do something like this part. Okay. This is the first method. And this is the second method. Oops. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Okay, next one. Now, question 2, still very simple. Of course, you can make some subtraction, but if you want to do some subtraction, yes. Of course, it's if you may want to do some subtraction, but if you find some you'll get yourself confused because it's plus 5, this is plus 50, this is plus 50, oh, this is plus 45. And this is plus 135. So you will know that the next one will be what? Will be plus 405. So then the answer will be 608. Of course, you can do something like this one. Yes, good. 608. Okay. But if you are smart enough, you will know that 3 times 3 minus 1 is equal to 8. And 8 times 3 minus 1 equal to what? Equal to 23. And 23 times 3 minus 1 equal to 68. So it's just the next number will be times 3 and minus 1. And so blah, blah, blah. And turns out with 203 times 3 minus 1 will be equal to 608. It's something like that. Both are okay. Both are okay. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see. Next question. Now for this question, yeah, very good. Most of them the answer. You have to find the ratio first. You have to find this ratio. First, find it A to B to C to D, and then use some multiplication or something like that. Okay, A to B, B to C, C to B, and okay, 3 to 1. This is 2 to 3. This is 5 to 6. Okay. Okay. Now, of course, if you will know that it will become the common multiple of 2, 3, and 5. So I think I should multiply by 30. Okay, the first one is only about 15. Okay, and then will be what? Maybe I do it very slowly. Okay, the first one will be what? 6 to now. First one is 6 to 2 to 3, and then times 5, so it's 30 times 30 to 10. 30 to 10 to 15 to 6. Okay, so the total part is set as okay. Oh, this is a good. This is a good. Yeah, it's 80. This is 80. Okay. The sum here. The sum here will be 30, 30, 15 is 73. Okay, 73. So you just B will be equal to 584 times 10 over 73. So which is 80. Which is 80. Because you can simplify 584 or divide 584 by 73, which is 8, and then times 10 will become 60. Okay, that's that. That's that. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Next one. Now, so this one maybe for those who don't have the now because you are in second one, so maybe some of you don't know how to do this question, but actually it's fairly simple. Yes, 55 here. Okay. Yeah. Now you go east for 33 kilometers and south for 56 kilometers. So you have to find this distance. Okay. Now, actually, we can use Pythagoras theorem for this one. Pythagoras theorem. You know what is Pythagoras theorem? Use this one. Okay. Yeah. Do this one. So if because you know that yes, very good, most of, because maybe some of you don't know using this film, or maybe I will talk about this one, and this will be now if I have a right angle triangle, we have A, we have a B, and we have C. Okay, the relationship will be A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. Okay, so you just substitute 33 squared plus 56 squared is equal to the distance square. I will call this square. So you will know that adding up this is okay, and this is I think for the number 56 squared. For the number, maybe I will 56 squared, 56 times 56 is okay. I got it. Okay, this is 425, which is equal to 65 squared. Okay, so distance 65. 65 kilometers. Okay. Okay, next one. Next one. Question 5. Very simple. Very simple. But actually, oops, you are solving this kind of question. Because 1 plus 2 plus, because we read no false, you read 1 page in the first day, 2 page second day, 3 pages, etc. until the total pages we read is about 36. So if you are smart enough, you'll find that you will know that the sum at the left hand side will be equal to n times n plus 1 over 2 equal to 36k. But and n times n plus 1 equal to 72k. But hopefully you know that 72 equal to 8 times 9. So n is 8. Hopefully. So 36. 36. Not 8, it's 36. Because the question is asking how many pages does she reach until then. So she had read for 8 days, but 36 pages. So please don't step in the hole. Don't step in the hole, okay? If you answer 8, you will fall in the hole. It's 38 pages. Okay? Any questions? Any questions? Yeah, tricky, but don't fall in the hole. Now you have fallen in the hole for answering 8. Yeah. Okay. Question 6. This is straightforward. And I think it's somehow pleasant for you step it. Oh, because you know that now. Okay, I go back. Okay. Some argue why this n is 8. Okay, now because I know that 72 is equal to 8 times 9. 8 and 9 are consecutive. So I put n is 8, n plus 1 will be 9. So 8, okay, it's just a coincidence that 8 times 9 is 72, which is a multiple of 72. So if I put an 8, and you will find that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 exactly equal to 26. And which is a multiple of 36. So n is 8, and the total pages read is 36. Okay. Okay, this one. Yeah, 199. Because this is a arithmetic sequence, so the difference is same. So you mean that the mean will be equal to the first one plus the last one over 2. Just that. So which is 115 plus 283, and then over 2. Which is 199. Which is 199. Just that. Nothing special. Nothing special. Okay. So this is because this is a arithmetic sequence, so you just take the mean. It's okay. First plus last over 2. Or maybe if you don't have the first one, but the last one, so you'll find the middle one. You just want to find the middle term. But if for this question, you just need to find the first term and the last term and plus that over 2. Just that. Okay. Any question? Any question? Okay. Let's see. Is it 42? Oh, let's see. And now for this one, for this one, you start to have to use some identities. Okay, the first identity you have to use is a plus b squared. A plus b squared. Was it is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. Of course, you can equal to x minus b. Of course, you say okay, but if I have this one, then I will do something like this one, and I can put x squared equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times 11, 2 times plus 2 times 11. So that will be equal to 64 minus 22, then 42. Just that. Yeah. No, a plus b is not 42. A squared plus b squared is equal to 42. Okay. Obviously, you can find a rational number to satisfy the equation. It's not the answer of a and b is not rational number, but you can use this identity, then you can substitute the right one and then get an answer. Yeah. A squared plus no. A squared plus b squared minus 2ab equal to a squared plus ab squared. A plus b the whole thing squared. Please be mind that a plus b the whole thing squared. Okay. Okay. X is another pattern for you. Okay. X is another pattern for you. Just simplify it. But just bear in mind that the brackets don't make it 1 in the brackets. Okay. So I simplify this one with be 11x minus 3x plus 7 and yes it's minus 7x minus 35 equal to 0. So it's just x equal to 28. Yeah, x equal to 28. This is simple for you. This is a pattern because every competition for those who are very sleepy and there may be some of these question. Okay. So don't be too frustrated. Every question, every competition will have some of these patterns. Okay. Now, yeah, very tight, too simple. I think it's too simple. This for primary 6. Okay. Now, question 9. Factorize this one. Now, 2 ways of doing it. 2 ways of doing it. Okay. 2 ways of doing it. 1, use identities. Identities. Second, force method. Yes, Eddie, did someone put up his hand? Is it anyone put their hand? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, no question. I continue this with this one. Okay. Now, you have 2 methods of doing it. First method. Yeah. Now, first method, I will put something like this one. X squared plus 2x minus 99. I will change this one into something like this one. X squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 100. Now, why I'm doing this one? Because I know that this in the bracket will be a whole square. For you are familiar with identities. This is x plus 1 the whole 1 square. This is x plus 1 the whole thing square. And then minus the square of 10. The square of 10. If something square minus and then square, so it's different square identities, and you can use x plus 1 plus. You can put x plus 1 minus 10 and x plus 1 plus 10. So which is equal to x minus 9 times x x plus 11. Yeah. Of course, I do it very slowly, but actually, for your fast enough, you can do it verbally, okay? Or if in your okay. Now, or if you use cost method, then you will find that if you use cost method, there will be x squared plus plus 2x minus 99. Suppose equal to a sum of x plus a and x plus b. Okay, this is method 2. This is method 2. Okay. Now, then we'll expand the right hand side. You'll find that when you expand right hand side, we'll find that which is equal to x squared plus a plus b x plus minus 99. So you will find okay. Now you will find that what the method is a plus b. Oops, no. Oops. Then a plus b equal to 2 and ab equal to negative 99. And you'll find some term numbers to satisfy this one. So you'll find a equal to 11 and b equal to negative 9. So you find so you arrive the answer a plus 11, x plus 11, x minus 9, something like this one. Okay. Any question with this one? With question 9. Any question with question 9? Okay, simple. Yeah, simple. But okay, question 10. Question 10. Now, 3x plus 50 is more than 47. How many solution is it? It's just simple. You just make all the things in the right hand side. So 3x is more than 32, and x is more than. Of course, you need something positive. So the number will be 1 to 10. Okay, so the answer is 10. What's that? Nothing special. Nothing special. Yes, nothing special. Okay. Okay. Non-positive or non-negative. 0 is nothing. Not positive, not negative. Not positive, not negative. Of course, if the answer is the question is asking you about non-negative number, then you have to consider 0. It is non-positive, non-negative. But if you are considering something non-negative, then 0 will be counted. But if you consider something positive, then 0 will not be counted. Okay. 11. Now, actually, for these kind of questions, you can do something like this one. You can divide the whole thing by 3 first, okay? So x plus 2y is equal to 12. Okay, now, because we have the maximum x plus y, so you have to maximize x. Because if you maximize y, the sum will be smaller. Now let's see why. Let's see why. Now, I changed the I changed this one from x equal to 12 plus 2 12 plus 2y. So if you will find that if x is I put x is I put x is 10. Then y is 1. Okay, but if I put x is 8, then y is 2 only. So you will find that this is the sum here will be equal to 10, 11. Then but the sum here is 10. So that's what I mean. I mean it's the vector x, because if you vector y, the sum is very small. Because if you put x equal to 2 and y is only 5, and the sum will be only 7. So the sum is much smaller. Because because they are all positive integers, so you can't find a zero for y. Okay. Yeah. So the maximum sum is 11. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Now 12. This is absolute value. Okay. Maybe if for those who don't know what is absolute value. Okay. Now absolute x equal to x if x is greater or equal to 0. But if equal to negative x if x is more than 0. Now let's maybe if you are not familiar with this one, so you just take imagine a way to take only the numbers of a number. It doesn't matter it's positive or negative. You only take the number part. For example, -3, you just take the 3. If you have 100, you take the 100. Or if it is negative 1,000, you take the 1,000 only. This is a way of doing something like this one. So absolute x will be the final result of absolute x will be greater or equal to 0. So now, how can guys solve these kind of question with absolute value? If the basic method is using, I think you divide into cases by cases. So say, no, x mustn't be positive. X mustn't be positive, but the value absolute must be positive. But no, must be non-negative. You mean that something? This one. This is non-negative. Non-negative, okay? Non-negative. It can be 0. It can be 0. So we start now we start doing this question. So I take it case by case. So just consider. Yeah. No. Absolute. After absolute should be greater or equal to 0. C is a random number. C is a rational number. Just absolute. So you just means that I want the number only. I don't want the negative sign here. I just need the number. So I take it case by case. Say if x is greater than 3. Okay. Now if x is greater than 3, then x plus 5, then x plus 5 and x minus 3 are both greater than 0. So then I can do something like this one. X plus 5 plus x minus 3 equal to 13. And that x will be equal to 7. Is it 7 or 11 over 2? Or should be 11 over 2. Okay? 11 over 2. And next case. X is I think it's greater or equal. Negative 5. Then x plus 5 is smaller than 0, but x is greater or equal to 0, and x minus 3 is more than 0. So what happened is that then I will get something like this one. okay, and which is become to equal to 30, which is no solution. No solution, okay? This is second case. Second case. First case, you take in you consider in the cases. First one, two. And the last case will be x is more than -5. Then both of them are smaller than 0. Okay, and then I will have negative x plus 5 minus bracket x plus 3. Oops. A equal to 13. And then you solve the equation again. You solve the equation again, you will find what? 2 minus. Maybe I do it. Maybe I do it slower. Then 15. X is 15. Okay. Okay. X equal to negative 15 over 2. Okay. Then sum of x will be equal to 11 over 2 minus 15 over 2. And solution. It's the same. Okay, it's the same. It's the same because it's the same. Let's say it's the same. You can put it anyway. Okay, it's -2. Okay, yeah, -2. And because okay, you have a fraction. You have a fraction. If you have a negative sign, now, okay. If you're not familiar with this one, I have a fraction here. If I have some negative sign, okay. If I have a -2 here, actually the -2 can be put here, here, or here. It's the same. It's the same. It's the same. Okay. Okay. So the sum of x is -2. Okay. Any question? Any question? Any question on this one? Okay, then I continue. If no question, I continue. Okay. Okay, this one. 13. Okay, now. Actually, this question is a little bit difficult, but still worth of doing. Okay, but there's some way of doing it, and maybe you'll find it very easy, and you'll find there's someone make a joke on me. Okay, but this is not. This is a question. Okay, okay. Let's start now. Okay, now because it continues indefinitely, so you can make something like this one. You can treat this as a x. Okay, this is x. So now next one. Of course, if you know this is x, you can put, you know that the answer, if you put a 1 in, then it will be okay. Yes, answer is equal to 1. Okay, but if you want to do it formally, there will be x equal to -3 plus 4 for x. And because you know that x is not equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, the game will be over. You don't want to do it. Okay, then you multiply the whole thing by x. X squared equal to -3x plus 4, and then x squared plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. And you factorize it. and you factorize it, you'll find the factorize. Okay, x plus 4 and x minus 1 equals 0. Yeah, and because x is rational now, if x is rational means that x is rational, doesn't mean that x is not negative, but because it's so that it's x is greater than 0, x is equal to -4 or x equal to 1. Now, because I know that x is greater than 0, so I have to reject this one. Rejected. X is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. So the answer is value of x is 1. Okay? X is 1. It's just that. But if you check that, if you can check that if you put x equal to -4, it goes okay. So there are two solutions for this one. But because you know that x is greater than 0, so you have to take x equal to 1. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Any question? Rational, not means that is maybe some of us maybe have to may have a misunderstanding. Is rational means that it can be written as P over Q, which P, Q are integers. This means rational, okay? This is rational, but it is rational number can be negative, okay? PQ can be negative. Rational means you can write it into fractions only. Yes. Okay. Okay, next one, 14. Now, when a 3-digit number is divided by 10, 5, and 4, the we get 3. What is the minimum of the 10-digit 3-digit number? Now, very simple, because actually you need to, because this one, so it's a something the same uniform. So you have to find this one first. Of course, this is 20. Okay, so all the answers should be something like 20k plus 3 because the remainder is 3. So the answer will, the minimum of this one will be 103. Okay, 103. Yeah, 103. 103. Okay. Of course, you know that 100 is a multiple of 20, so you just add 3 to 100. Just that. Yeah, because we have a meaning that so we have to add 3 to your 100. Okay. Okay, 15. What's the problem? Which one? Which question you confuse? Which question? Okay. Because now, okay. Now I will explain this one further. Okay. Now, because we have to now let's take away the now let's pretend that you don't know it. Take away this one first. Any number which is have a remainder 3 divided by 10, 5, and 4 will be a multiple of 20 plus 3. because the LCM, this number multiple of 10, 5, and 4 will be 20. So, or if I'm at, maybe if you are not clear enough, I will just omit this one first. If any number can be divided by 10, 5, and 4, so this number can also be divided by their LCM. So which is 20 here, which is 20. But I have a remainder of 3. I have a remainder of 3. I remember 3, okay? So I have add 3 to the multiple of 20. Add 3 to the multiple of 20s. But the further condition is that it is a three-digit number, and I've identified the minimum. So I have to calculate the multiple of 20 up to a three-digit number and plus 3 to the answer. So which is 103. Okay, question 15. Now, sum of all positive factors. Now, we have a good way to do it. Now, first, please do some time factorization. Please do this one, okay? Now, please do this one, which is equal to, okay, which means that okay. Now, will be equal to what? 1 plus 3. Okay, it's times 1 plus 5 plus 5 squared plus 5 cubed. Okay. Okay. Which equal to what? 4 times. This is 125, 150, 156. Okay, which is 624. Okay. Of course, you can find all the factors, but you don't need to find the factors. You don't need to find the factors, actually. Okay. Now we have 3 here. We have 3 here. Okay. The factors will be 1 plus 3, and we have 5 cubed here. All the factors will be 155 squared and 5 cubed. You just multiply the sum of those. So next time you find another number. Say I don't give the number. Next time maybe I give you another number. No, 375. Yes. Oh, what is the method? So now maybe I give you one more. I give you one more because say I don't give you 375. I give you another number. Yes. The answer is 624. You got it right. Okay, and okay, this I talk about it. 624. But next, I give you another number. Okay, you try again. I give you a try again. Maybe this one. Okay, this one. 676. Now you try this one. You can easily factorize it into what? 2 squared times 13 squared. Okay. I will talk about it later. Okay. Question 6 I will talk about it later because some of them doesn't understand question 15. Okay. Some of them doesn't understand question 15. I will talk about it later. So if I give you 676 here, and your factors are factorizing 2 squared times 30 squared. So will be what? Will be what? Now I have 2 2's, so I plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 squared. Okay, I have 2 13's. Okay, and then will be 8. 1 plus 13 plus 13 squared. Okay, this one, which equal to what? Is it 1, 2, 4, 7 times what? And then you got the answer. Okay, you got the answer. Okay. If I give the number 6, you got this one. Okay. 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 Good. Just practice. Yes. We just practice. All right. Because someone don't know that someone private message me that he doesn't know the method. Okay. I taught the method again. Okay. Okay. Next one. 16. 16. Very simple. Very simple. Because I think this question is some a little bit trick but not tricky. A little bit trick but not tricky. Okay. Yeah. So now let's see. Now you will find all the 4's here will be have a odd number power. Okay, which means that it ends up with 4. Because 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 becomes 64. So all odd powers of 4 with the unit digit of 4. Okay. Okay. Now the second number 9. 9 to the power of even. You'll find all the 9 will have an even number. So it will be 9 times 9 is 81, and 81 times 9 is something like 729 with an n of 9. So 9 to the power even will be 1 more 10. Okay, so you add them all up. So this is for this one. So we'll have ending of 5 here. This is 5. This is another 5. Is all of them. We have pair up. You can get all 5's here. How many pair of 5 here? You have 7 pairs. So if ending up with 5, 7 pairs only. Seven pairs only. 2, 4, 7 pairs only. So the ending is 5. Just that. Just that. Yeah, 7 pairs. 7 pairs. So just find the pattern. Don't so stress, okay? Just find the pattern. Just find the pattern. Okay, any question of this one? Any question of this one? Oh, okay, okay. Now, now you have to take these two facts, which means that okay, okay. 4 more 10 means unit digit 4. 1 more 10 means unit digit 1. So we have a 4 here. We have a 4 here. You have a 1 here. So adding up to 5. And if we have also a 4 here, we have also 1 here. Adding up to 5 again. Now we have 7 sets of these one. So the last digit will be 5 times 7, which is 35. Which means the last digit will be 5. Okay. Yes, convert. Yeah, convert. They're all convert. They're five, all fives. Okay, next one. Okay, you got it. I know you got it. Next one. 17. The difference between two square number is 1,127. What is the median value of small square? Now let's see. Some of you have given me the answer, but I will go through it. Okay. And now you know about. Let's see. I have a P and a Q. So let's see. I give something like this: 1 P squared minus Q squared equal to 127. Okay. Now you have to find the minimum. Find the minimum of Q squared. Okay, Q squared. Find the minimum of Q squared. Okay. Actually, you can use for identity to do this one. Okay, P plus Q times P minus Q equal to 1127, which you have to break it up. You have to break it up. Which equal to what? Okay. Okay, I think I will expect 16 after 17. Okay. Now I will expect 16 after 17. Okay. Which is equal to 7 times 7 times 23. But if I want to make Q smaller, if I want to make Q square smaller, then I will have to make a small Q, which means and also 0. So P plus Q okay, P plus Q is almost equal to P minus Q, or maybe you can say that close to P minus Q. So I have to assign the numbers, and then so you have P plus Q equal to 7 times 7, and P minus Q equal to 23. And then we will find Q, which is equal to 49 minus 23, and then divide by 2. Okay, which is 13. And then minimum Q squared. It's 169. It's just that. It's just that. Okay. So the answer is 169. That is 169. And if I want to find the maximum value of Q squared, you mean the maximum Q squared? And for maximum, P will close to Q. P will close to Q. And then I will put a small number for P and P minus Q. But so then will be and then put it and then do something like this one. Then Q will be equal to which is of 63. Okay, then Q squared, oh go. Okay. 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 Now, no guessing, no guessing. The 10 state, it doesn't matter. So you just okay. And I will explain 60 first. I will go back to 70. Okay, no, it doesn't matter. Okay, now because they are convert. Yeah, how many are there? How many there? Yeah, because now because you know that the all power 4 it means that it's 4, and the even number of 9 is 1. Okay, the last digit actually have something like this one, which is become 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 7, and equal to 25. But you want the digit only, unit digit only, so it's 5. Yeah. Okay. Still fine. Still fine. Okay. Now I go back to 17. Someone asked me why Q is equal to 13. Actually, you just solve these two equations again. Solve these two equations. How can I find Q? How can I find Q? I eliminate the P, okay? You just add them two all up together. You add them, you just subtract the P. You just subtract the P, that will be 2Q. Then we will find that 2Q will be equal to 49 minus 23. Okay? You don't need to do the one up. You have to do the factorization of this one. You have to do the factorization. You answer, then you assign the number. Actually, for this, someone asked me how to find the minimum exact and maximum value for the biggest square. Actually, it's the same as from this one. Actually, it's the same because actually it's the same. Actually, the same. In this case, this is also minimum. This is also minimum of p squared. This is also minimum of p squared. We will equal 1. Okay. This is also for minimum of the p squared, and then this is also maximum of p squared. Okay, then p squared will be equal to what? Will be equal to 564 squared. which is this one. Actually, say the PQ will have, because P and Q must be a positive number, so they will arrive maximum together or minimum together. But for cubes, that you'll be very careful because PQ may be a negative number. Okay. Any questions? Any questions on this one? Okay, no question. The next one. Okay. That's 18. 18 is very simple. We just introduce the concept what is more. Now x equal to 9 mod 7. It means that the 9 is the remainder. Means that when x is divided by 7 equal to something and remainder 9. Okay? And remainder 9. It just means something like this one. Okay? It just means something like this one. So actually, you can do something x equal 7 is actually equal to q plus 1 and remainder 2. So 8. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Wait. I'll show you again. Okay. So you so I can do something like this one. It's actually equal to 2 mod 7. Okay, actually equal to 2 mod 7. So what can I do here? Is that you just divide 1000 by 7. You just divide 1000 by 7, which equal 142 remainder 6. Okay, so the answer for this question will be 142 times 7 plus 2, which means that I think it's 996, is it? Okay, it's 996. Yes, 996. Okay, just that. Okay, just that. Okay, nothing special. It's just for some introduction of mods. Actually, I've introduced to you the mods in Python 16. Okay, question 19. Now, okay. Okay, this question. For this question, actually very easy, but after some time you will find that you are tricked by someone. So for such kind of question, please draw a diagram first. First draw a diagram. Okay. Okay. Let's draw a diagram. So I have a you draw a diagram yourself. You draw a diagram yourself. This is 11. And this is midpoint. So what is the maximum of area of ABC? It's 0. I told you it's 0. It's definitely Because okay. For those who ask, I write the Chinese here because the question will the competition will also held in mainland China on Hong Kong. Okay. Now, if you draw a diagram, you'll find something like this one. Okay, but you will know that if C is moving, you will consider a C is moving, but the angle is still 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So A, B, and C here, the angle ACB will be remaining at 90 degrees. If the C moves, you will find the locus of C. Find what the C is going. It's just a semicircle on with diameter A and B. So that I will. So for those who want me to find a minimum area for him, so you will know that if C goes to B, the area will be 0. So where will I have a maximum? C is the middle, is at the middle here. And then if C is at the middle here, we will find that 11 will be the radius of the semicircle, and this will be also be both 11. The maximum will be no preference. Of course, you can use preference, but you will find a more faster method. For example, now I will move the angle first. Okay, I will move to the maximum position. Now I move this one to the maximum position. Move. Okay, move. Move. Okay. Oops. Move. Okay. Then now we have two more right angle here. So okay, now because it's a semicircle, this I call this point M. I call this point M. MA, MB, and MC, all these three lines are the radius of the semicircle. All of these three lines are the radius of the semicircle, so they are the same. They're the same. So what I can do here is that I cut this half circle and insert here and become yes, radius of the circle is constant by definition. So I cut this triangle. I cut this triangle and put it here. It becomes a square of a side length of 11. So the answer will be 11 times 11, which is 121. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, I explain again. Now, maximum. Actually, because now the angle ABC is fixed. Angle ABC is fixed for 90 degrees. Okay. So C can be moved. C can move. Okay. I assume I can move the C here. I can move C. But if I use then the point A and point B are movable. So I move point C. If you do something like this, you will find point C, the locus of point C. So that is the way of how C is moving. Will be a semicircle with diameter AB. I'm explaining that. Now, the if now, so I maybe I put it here. Okay. Okay. So if C moves towards B or A, it will become minimum. Okay. Does this answer your question? Because ACB is fixed at 90 degrees, so you move C, you can move C. If you move C towards the point A or B, yes, you can use coordinate. But if you move C towards A or B, and you will find the triangle, the area becomes smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and it almost becomes zero. The maximum area attains when the C is at the middle of the semicircle, and which will become a right angle isosceles triangle. But you can do some cutting and pasting, and you will find actually it's a square of side length 11. So the area will be okay. Yeah. I just it's yeah. It's you. Yes. It actually it doesn't matter if it's it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's a isosceles triangle or not. It's just that you can prove it. You can prove it. AM equal to BM equal to CM if ACB is 90 degrees. You can prove it by using some geometry. Okay. Yeah. Any questions? Any questions? Yes, it's a 9. Yes, it's a 9. It become a 9 if you move C towards drag C towards A, B. Yeah. That will become if you cannot imagine, it will become something like this one. Oops. It will become something like this one. Okay. What is the area this one? Very small towards 0. It will approach 0. Yes, it will approach 0. Okay. Or maybe I discuss it with some difficulties, but actually you can think of this one. You need to draw it yourself. You need to draw it yourself. Yes. You have scrap papers. You will have scrap paper. You draw your scrap papers yourself. You think of it yourself. Every those questions you have to try. If you don't have any idea of doing the question, please try and draw a diagram yourself, and you will have a familiar look on the question. Okay. When you put here, then when C overlaps with B, then the area will be 0. It's okay. Okay. You will consider when C drag to B, then will be then the other function will become 0. Put C on B. Put C on B, okay? Put C on B. I forgot. Okay, I forgot something. I forgot the. Okay. Any question? Okay, next one. Yes. Oh, why? Why? Yes. Oops. Okay. Question. Oh, okay. Question 20. Okay. And yes, the minimum. This is simple. Okay, this is simple. Because you want to make the surface area, you make the surface area smallest. Okay, you make smallest total surface area minimum value. So okay, you just need to do some time factorization. First. Is equal to 5. Okay, I answer your question later. Actually, you can calculate the area of this one. You can calculate the total surface of this one. Actually equal to, okay, the yes, plus 2. Remember, plus 2, the top and the bottom. Okay. Now this one, 5 times, yes. Okay. Now this is 4942. Okay. This is the largest. Yes, this is the largest. Okay. So if I put this one, this will be the answer for this one will be 19 times. Oops. 19 times 13 plus 19 times 5 plus 13 times 5. Okay. And times 2. Yeah. I think this is very small. Yeah, 814. Okay. So you see which is the largest, which is smallest. Okay. Just that. So actually, if you want to make the total surface area smallest, you try to make the lengths into more or less the same. Yes. All the same. Of course, if this is an integer, then it will be something like this one. But please consider the shape of a water droplet. The shape of the water droplet. Okay, the shape of water droplet is something like a ball, a sphere. Actually, the minimum surface area will be a sphere. So Now, okay. Now, if I have a fixed volume, okay. I have a fixed volume. If I want to make the surface area largest, I will make it into very long shape, very long shaped thing. For example, stick. A stick, a very long stick. The surface area will be very large. But if I want to make the surface area smallest, I will make it become a tube. Or if I want to make this the small surface area smallest, it should be a sphere. But because the question here makes to asking, well, it's a cube. So I have to, it's a cuboid, okay, cuboid. So you have to minimize the difference of the three sides of the cuboid. The 2 is the bottom and the top. The 1, 2, 3, 5 times 4 is the 4 sides. Just consider, just consider the cuboid here. Okay, this one will be a long cuboid, and this one will be a something like this one. So if so you'll find the way is that closer. Dimension is closer. So it's a sphere. Yes, as close as possible. Yes, as close as possible. It's a sphere. Okay. For maximum, you make one of the dimensions very large, and then you will the maximum area. Okay. So the answer for this question is 614. Okay, next question. This one is by definition very simple. So I just call the answer. 4 plus 18 over 2 is 6. Okay, and then y plus 3 over 2 is 8. So you'll find x equal to what? 11, and y equal to 13, and then x plus y equals to 24. Just that. Okay. Nothing special. Nothing special. Okay. Nothing special. Okay, next one, 22. 22. Not 18, not 18. Okay. Now, okay, okay. And some of interior angles. Okay, it's a polygon. It's what? I can't do it this time. I got it. It's n minus 2 times 180. Okay. So if I have an n side polygon, n side regular n side polygon, that will be n one exterior angle of n side polygon. That will be equal to 360 by n. Okay. So one interior angle will be n minus 2 over n by 180. And then you equate these two. Now this is 7 times 4 over n equal to 70 times 360 over n. Oops, should be okay. Now, so you and then what? So you just divide it by 160 over n, so it's n minus 2 equal to 34, and n equal to 6. So the answer is 36. The answer is 36, not 18. Not 18. The answer is 36. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, question 23. This time you draw the diagram again. You try to draw the diagram again. Does it seem familiar? Does it seem familiar? It's almost the same as question 19. So again. So the answer 36. That's it, 36. Okay. This time you cut here again. Of course, you can 12 times 6 over 2. But if you're smart enough, you can cut here again. Cut, and I put something here. Okay. But actually, it's almost you can of course you can 12 times 6 over 2 is okay. Actually, I put some big thing back for you, but actually, okay. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Question 24. Nothing special. It's just this one. Some of volume, because they are all okay. It's free. Okay, it is free. Okay, it's free. They are all cubes. Okay. Okay, you just that. Okay. So the answer is this one. Answer is this one. Okay. Nothing special. Nothing special. You cut in the separate cubes and you keep it yourself. Nothing special. This simple. Okay. This simple. It's just that is the some kind of primary question, high school question. Okay. Okay. Now 35. 35. I have only 20 minutes left. I will go again. I will go it. Okay. Now what the hours and hand and the minute hand overlap at which 1 p.m. 2 p.m. Actually, it's a problem of it's a problem on speeds and velocity. So now imagine it's 1 p.m. Yes. Yeah, good. Most of got it correct. Okay, I will explain very fast. If now imagine this 1 p.m. The 12 this one, and you will know the angle here is 30 degrees. So it's just 30 degrees divided by the speed of the hour hand, which is 6, minus the speed of the minute hand 6. The speed of hour is 0.5 per minute. So this is 5 and 5 over 11. 5 and 5 over 11. So will be 1. The answer will be 105 5 over 11 p.m. Okay. 5 p.m. Just that. Nothing special. If you have some difficulties, I will give you the data here. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Oh, question 24, you just sum up the cubes. It's just that. Okay. Sum the cubes. Any question on 25? Any question 25? Okay. 26. Because the initial distance, okay. The initial distance, because it's 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. The whole circle, 360 degrees, it divided into 12 parts. One part is 30 degrees. Okay. Okay, for 26. Now you have 2 identical shirts and 8 identical dresses in the corset. How many different arrangements are there? Okay, actually it's very simple, very simple. It's just putting 2 things, put 6 identical things into a 10 drawer. So actually the answer is 10C2 into 45. Okay. Now if you don't know what is C, so it's just 10 times 9 divided by 2 times 1, because there are 2 ways to put the 2 identical shirts. So it's 45. It's just that. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? You can use C, or you can use C, or you can just calculate yourself from scratch. Okay. Now for 27. Now you have to consider how many cars are in the series. Okay, because there are 2 cars shown by both multiple of 3 or 8. So actually go to okay, minus 80 by 24. Okay, now you have to calculate the number here first. Okay, which is equal to 26 plus 10 minus 3, which is equal to 23. Okay, now so P of okay, which is equal to what? We have drawn 2 cards, so this is 80 times 79, because you are not putting it back. So this is 30. This is 33 times 32. So you just do some simplification before you multiply. So you divide by 60. So this is 2 and this is 5. This is 5. So you got the answer. You got the answer is 66 over 400 is 395. Okay. That's that. Any questions? Any questions? Now, if you don't understand why I have the time set, because there are only 33 cars is fulfill the requirement. So there are total 80 cars. So the first car drawn, the probability will be 38 out of 80. And when the card is drawn away, then you have only 79 cards left. But you have 32 cards fulfill the requirement. So you times 32 by 79. So you just have the calculation here, and you just simplify. So you got the answer is 66 over 395. It's something like this one. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Okay, then 28. Now 28. Actually, not too difficult, because you just count all the numbers. Now, please bear in mind that if the number can be divided by 6, it should be an even number. It should be an even number. It should be an even number. Okay, and which even number, the numbers can add up to a multiple of 3. So you just try We just try to have like 1 or 3. So you have some those combos like 1, 3, 8, and you have the combos 1, 3, 8, something like this one. So you make all these combo first. You make all these combo first. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. Okay. And we have 1, 6, 8. We have 3, 4, 5. We have. Oops.
Cậu mày có nói gì nữa đấy?
3, 4, 8. We have 4, 5, 6, and also 4, 6, 8.
Nghĩ là không à?
Okay. Okay. Now there are seven kinds of combo with something like this one. Will be adding up to 1, 2, or 3, and with a true ending with an even number. So now for this one, the first two, because it must end with a plural, ends with an even number. It must be end with number. So I have 1, 2, 3. Yes, these 3. It must end with an even number. So I have only 2 kind of. So this is 3 times 2. Okay. And for this 1, 2, 3, this have with I have to end with a even number. So for this 3, 1. Okay, I will have 4. I have only 4 combos, 4 times 3. Okay, and I for this one, and anything we will do. So they have 6 combos here. So the answer will be okay. So the total answer will be this one. Okay, it's 24. 24. Okay. Oh, no, 24. It's 24. It's 24. It's 24. Okay. Okay, 29. 29 you can do yourself. Actually, very simple, but you just consider the years. You just consider a leap year. So actually, you can make a chart. Make a chart yourself. Make a chart yourself. Okay. So this is when because for every year equal to 52 weeks and a day, but for leap year it will be 52 weeks and plus 2 days. So you just consider leap year plus 2. Every year you can plus 1 or plus 2. So for 2018 will be a Wednesday, and 2019 it will be Thursday, and 2020. But because this is leap year, this year become a Saturday. So you just kind of it's Tuesday. But 2024. So this will be a Thursday. So Wednesday skip. Wednesday skip. So you have to count it again. And this is Friday. And this is Saturday. And this is Sunday. And this is Monday. That is Tuesday. And this is Wednesday. So 2029. That's that. Okay. Nothing special. Nothing special. Just this one. You just do the counting. This is also a pattern. You just practice, okay? Because this is a leap year, the 29th of February has passed, so you have to add 2 days on it. Because it's a leap year, you have already passed the 29th of February, so we have count 2 days on the leap year. Because the day you March is March 28, it's the same, okay? Actually, the Chinese version and the English version is a little bit different. So it doesn't matter, okay? Okay, the last question very easy. You just make the check, you chart yourself, okay? But please bear in mind that we are standing on the ground, so we have the step 0. You just do some adding, it's okay. So we start here. We have one method, one, but this is one of the steps. So this is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So this one will be 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And the way of doing it is just adding the last one and the last 3 one. Okay, you just add. So this will be 1 plus 3, which is 4. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. And this is 2 plus 4 equal to 6. And this is 3 plus 6 equal to 9. And yes. And this is 6. No. This is 4 plus 9 equal to 13. And this is 9 plus 4. No. This is 6 plus 13. Okay. Equal to 19. And then 9 plus 19 equal to 28. And the last is 13 plus 28 equal to 41. It's just that. 44? Really? Okay, now because they only go 1 step or 3 steps. So the method, so the normal method you can go will be you just now for this one, okay? No. I think I will use this. For this step. This step must you must come from the first step. You must come from the first step. You come from the first step or the 0 step. Addition rule. So it's 1 plus 1 is 2. Addition rule. For going to step B, you must come from step 2 or step 0. So add the 1. For step 4, you must come from step 1 or step B. So you add these 2 numbers, 1 plus 2. For step 5, you must come from step 4 and step 2. You should have 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. So it's just some addition rule. Okay? For step 6, you have to come from step 5 and step 3. So you add 2 to total, you get 6 here. So you just continue to the addition. You just continue adding the things. Any questions? Okay, any questions? If no question, there will be end of these 30 questions. But if you have more questions on this paper, and you can ask here, and maybe for the others you have no question, you may leave out.